What's going on, guys? Back again with another video today. Wow, that sounds really stupid. I gotta find a new intro. We're on our way down to Dalton's house right now. I'm letting the RX-7 warm up because it's my daily driver currently. We're gonna pull the motor for his 350Z. So pretty big news on that one. Really exciting. He picked up a donor vehicle and got a pretty good deal on it. So super excited for that. So we're gonna go help him pull his motor out today. And I'll see you guys when we get there.
Are we supposed to be talking?
No, I had the mic off. I'm sorry.
Whatever.
There was sounds there that I didn't record, but that's cool.
Yeah.
Is this an LQ9 or is this?
It's LQ9.
Okay.
High output, 6 liter.
I don't know my V8s.
Yes. It's basically an LS2 but truck.
Rotary is life.
No, see, you convinced me to go LS.
I know.
And then you're like, no,
Rotary
I gotta
is
be
life.
different and RX-7 and rotary and shit.
Okay, so what progress have you made so far?
I took the radiator out, capped a bunch of shit, stupid stuff, brake, coolant, oil cooler crap disconnected. You know, I try to not cut everything because that's fair.
Fun.
And core support's just about unbolted all the way, so we're just gonna, that's the easiest way to do this, is yanking this whole section out so that you can just literally pull the motor and tranny right out. Otherwise, you run into transfer case issues because this is all-wheel drive and a bunch of other stuff. Otherwise, we might be separating the tranny from the motor before we pull it. It's whatever, it's however we're gonna do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
But right now, we're trying to pull the, you can get this whole harness basically on top of your.
Okay. Let's get started, guys.
Brian Little.
We got most of it out. Cutting the exhaust right now so we can just flip it out. Because we're not trying to preserve anything. That's it.
Hey dudes, it's the next day. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, can't talk today. It's the next day. We didn't finish pulling the motor last night. Escalated, they're a lot more of a pain in the butt than he thought they were. I've never pulled an LS type motor out before. So it was all a new experience for me, but we didn't get the motor out. He's probably gonna finish it up today. I don't know if I'm helping him or not later. But right now we're about to head out and go pick up some headlights for his 350Z. Super rad. Apparently he found a good deal on them, but had to get up at the butt crack of dawn to go get them. Cause it's too early and I'm tired and I want to go back to bed, and I was up late last night, but that's okay. And then later today, I don't know if I'm helping Dalton finish the motor pull. So anyway, we're gonna go do that, but currently we're waiting for Dalton to get here, so let's check back in a little bit.
Guy works at like 9:15. My bad.
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto Northwood Drive South.
It was just barely making it. Said it weren't there. It took longer than I thought. And then I had to stop at the bank because I forgot to pull money.
Take the next left onto Dutera Road Southeast.
Okay, so we'll check in when we get them because we're not going to bug people.
Nobody.
Dalton's got some sick headlights that need to be cleaned up. Deal of a deal. Alright, so we're back. I think actually we might help Dalton with his motor. Hopefully get that out today and he can get me dirty again. Rude. Okay guys, we're back. Wow, I really gotta stop opening stuff like that. Anyway, we're heading down to Dalton's now. We're gonna continue pulling the engine from yesterday, so I'll probably lump this all into one vlog. Stay tuned for that. We're currently heading down to his place from mine. See you when we get there. Made it back to Dalton's, guys. Check it out. He got new headlights. These things are a little tired. A little work. We got them back on the Z real quick. Just kind of set in place for a quick look. It's got the tranny. Motor's in that bad boy. And we got to finish pulling it out. He went to go drop his girlfriend off at work since she doesn't drive. So I'm going to cut the exhaust off so it doesn't get in our way and start disconnecting the front drive shaft because this is an all-wheel drive car, or not all-wheel but four-wheel drive car. So I'm gonna get started on that and I'll give you guys a little update later because it's kind of hard to show what's going on underneath the car. So yeah, I'll check back in later. What's up guys, it's David from the future. I'm sorry, I sucked at filming when I made this video. We got the exhaust out, we tried pulling the motor out and it just kind of started getting late and I'm sorry, I should have filmed a little bit more and filled you guys in a little parts. So we pulled the exhaust. What we did find out next was that the transfer case actually needed to come off. We struggled with it leaving the transfer case on the transmission while we tried to pull the motor out. Once we popped the transfer case off, the whole engine and transmission just came right out really easily. That's what these next clips are about. Roll them.
Take two.
Take two!
I don't know what it's pointing at.
No, it's on.
It's just a good spot. Okay spot.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Okay, now that you saw the engine come out, that's about it for today. Dalton has a high output 6 liter from an Escalade to go into his 350Z now. It's going to be kind of a cool build. Hopefully we can keep up with him as he builds it and he doesn't rush along too fast, so I can actually get out there and film some stuff for you guys. So that's really cool. So anyway, that's going to be it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. We are coming up on some Miata repair videos. We got the Miata tuned. Had some bad news about it. You guys will hear about that soon enough. If you guys follow my Instagram, you may have saw some sneak peeks about it. Unfortunate, but it is what it is, and we'll make the best out of the situation. That's it for now. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.